So, exponents and powers we are going to start today. Okay.
Good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Don't wish. Just we are going to start the 12th chapter, exponents and powers. Okay. So you know that here, why do we use the exponents normally? So suppose if you are having power, if any number is written in the form of the power, okay, power is nothing but, suppose if it is written to you 2 power 4, so that is nothing but 2 should be multiplied 4 times. The value is 2 into 2 into multiplication. It is a multiplication 4 times. When you multiply the value what we are, it is written in the short form. So usually it is written in a short form 2 power 4, 2 into 10. Suppose 10 times if it is written 2 power 10. Okay, then you may have that exponent is a negative integer also. Usually in this 2 is called base. We call this as a base, and 4 is called as a exponent or a power. We call it as exponent or a power. So you may have the exponent as a negative integer also. If it is a negative integer, what does it means? You may have the numbers power as a, so minus number of times we are not going to have. So 2 to the power of minus 3 is nothing but, sir, how do we write here minus 3 is nothing but 3 means 3 times we need to multiply. So what is the meaning of the negative power whenever you are having? So what does it means? A power minus n can be written as 1 by a to the power of n.
We have to transpose.
Yes. 2 to the power of minus 3 can be written as 1 by 2 to the power of plus 3. So that is nothing but here you can write it as a 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is written 3 times. In the same way, when you take 10 to the power of minus 1, 10 to the power of minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 10. 10 to the power of minus 2 is nothing but 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. 2 times should be taken into consider. Okay. So now in the same way, whenever you are taking it to consider, how do we get here? Why do we get like that means, usually you take into consider, suppose if you are taking into consider any number, let us take into consider the 3 only. 3 power 3 value what? 3 into 3 into 3. That is nothing but
27.
3 power 2 value what?
9.
So 3 into 3, which is equals to 9. 9 can be written as 27 by 3. So always when you say 3 power 1 is nothing but what here? 3 into 3. Only one time 3. 3 power 1 is nothing but. So 3 power 1 can be written as 9 divided by 3. So this one, whatever the answer you are getting, divided by 3. This one, whatever your answer, we are dividing by the 3.
Sir?
Like that. Yes.
Sir, what is 3 power 0, sir?
Yes, sir, I am coming to that point. 3 power 0 value is equals to 1.
0.
So why do we 1 in the same? Because you observe the pattern of these all this. This number whatever you get, it's divided by 3 we are going to get this one. This whatever you get, that is divided by 3 we are getting. So that we will get this one. To get this one as a, this you divide by the 3, so that we will get it as a 1, 3 by 3. So that means we are going to get it as 1. Same pattern go on continuing. So 3 power minus 1, I am going on decreasing the powers. I am going on decreasing the powers. So 3 power minus 1 means in the same pattern, whatever the answer you are getting here, that you need to divide by the 3. We did the same thing na? From the starting onwards.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
By 3 to the power of 0 value, we are going to get it as a 1. And 3 power minus 1 value, we are going to get as a 1 by 3. In the same way, 3 power minus 2 value, we are going to get it as a 1 by 3 square. So from this, you can observe that any number, if it is having a negative power, a power minus n can be written as 1 by a to the power of n.
One doubt, sir.
Did you understand here?
One doubt.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
let us move to the last one.
Sir.
Tell me.
Sir, there you take 1 by 2, na sir? Why only you take 1 by 2? Why won't we take any other number?
Any number can be taken. Suppose you take, see here, observe the pattern. Pattern observer. Suppose if I am taking 4 square, the value is 4 into 4. 4.
Not this, sir. Sir, if the power is negative, at that time you take only 1 by, sir, you had given 2 to the power minus 3 you given, na sir?
2 to the power of minus.
Yes, sir. Why we should take 1 by 2?
Yes, do remember here. That's what I have explained by taking the 3 as an example. Now, if you observe that 2 power 4 value what better? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times, which is 16. You know the 2 power 3 value what? 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8. 8 how do we get? If you divide 16 by the 2, the 16 answer को 2 से divide कर दे, because base is 2. As the base is 2, 2 से divide कर रहा हूँ. As the base is 3, 3 से divide कर रहा हूँ.
One doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, if we take minus 2 power of 3.
Yes, we will come to that point. If you are taking minus 2 whole power 3 is nothing but minus 2 should be multiplied 3 times. If you are taking, if it is given to you minus 2 power 3, this power is only for the 2, not to the minus. Then in that situation, minus will be written, 2 only written with 3 times. So there is a difference between these two.
Yes, sir.
Did you get my? So let me the first part, whatever she asked the doubt. Vinutna asked the doubt. Let me clarify. Then 2 power 2, but what? You are going to get 4. So how do we get 4? This answer, if you divide by the 2, we are going to get the 4. Like the 2 power 1 is nothing but 2. How do we get the 2? This answer, if you divide by the 2, from this one divide by the 2. This one divide by the 2. This one divide by the 2. So, like the 2 power 0 means what do you get?
1, sir.
This answer should be divided. So that is one answer. So 2 power minus 1 means I am going on decreasing. So when you are decreasing the power, you need to divide by the 2 because the base is 2. So 2 power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 2. This you should divide by the 2. So 1 by 2 means 1 by 2. 2 power minus 2 is nothing but 1. इसको 2 से divide करना है. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 we are going to get. 1 by 2 square we get. Like that 2 power minus 3 means 1 by 2 cube we are going to get it.
Then whenever we decrease
sir.
it, we have to divide it, sir.
What?
So whenever we decrease a number, we have to divide it, sir.
Yes. Obviously, the pattern you observe, and how do we get that? You observe the pattern in the what way it is getting. From that you are going to get it. Okay? So you do remember the main thing is this a to the power of minus n. Power is minus n means पूरा बेस के साथ वो पावर को नीचे लेके आ गए तो पावर नेगेटिव पावर पॉजिटिव पावर हो जाएगा. How it becomes means the reason behind it is through the example I have explained to you, isn't it? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next we are going to have the laws of exponents. There are some laws. Laws of exponents. So the first law is a power m into a power n. When you multiply the two exponents, that already you have learned in previous class also. Very simple here. And here the thing is that bases should be equal. Same bases should be there. And the powers may be different. In that situation, we need to add the powers. Why do we add the powers means? Just let us take the one example. 2 power 3 into 2 power 4 I am taking. What is the meaning of 2 power 3? 2 3 times multiplication. Into 2 4 times multiplication. Total how many times multiplication means? Total how many times multiplication means?
7 times.
Number. This 3 represents 3 times. 4 represents 4 times multiplication. The total number of multiplication means addition only we need to do that. What we need to do the addition? Powers we need to add. We need to add the powers. So that's why 2 power 3 plus 4 we are going to get. So this is the first law of the exponents we are going to have. The second law of the exponents is a power m by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. And the third law of the exponents is a power m whole to the power of n. Whole power is completely different from the directly power. A power m into n. ये दोनों multiply करना पड़ता. Okay. The next thing is it clear to you? A power
Yes, sir.
power m. Power is same, but bases are different. Then you can write this as a completely whole power.
Sir?
Completely. Yes.
AB whole power m.
Sir, second law a power m by a power n equals to a power m minus n. What if
Yes.
n is greater than m? Can we write 1 by a power n minus n?
It may be greater than n, it may be less than n. It doesn't matter.
Okay, sir.
Suppose if I am taking, yes, I will taking example, I will say 2 power 3 by 2 power 5 I have written. I can write 2 power 3 minus 1. Then what do we get?
2 power minus.
2 power 2 minus 2 again by using this law, we can write 1 by 2 power 2.
Yes, sir. So we can write a power m by a power n equals to 1 by a power n minus m.
Yes, 1 by a power n minus.
n. Yes, sir, n minus m.
So next, the fifth question is a power m divided by b power m whenever you are taking, we can write it as a by b whole power m. The last one is a power 0 value is equals to 1, but the condition is if a is not equals to 0. But the condition is if a is not equals to 0. That is nothing but what here? A power 0 power 0 value is not 1. 0 power 0 value is not 1. Any number, is it visible to you here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any number to the power of 0 value is 1 except 0 power 0. Okay?
Sir, if in the place of a, if in the place of a is given 2, sir.
Yes, 2 if it is given 2 power 0, minus 2 if it is given minus 2. But do remember that if minus 2 given to you, like this if it is given to you, what is this value? Can anyone tell?
Minus 1.
Minus 1 hoga. This is minus 1. If minus 2 whole power 0 if it is given to you, this is plus 1. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This point you... yes, tell me. Yes, tell me. Any doubt?
No, sir, no doubts.
So be concentrated that whenever the brackets are written to you. Suppose here in case of a power m whole, I wrote 2 power 3 whole power 2. What is the meaning of this one? 2 power
2
3
power
whole power 2 if it is. What is the meaning of this one? 2 power 3 2 times I need to write. Isn't it? Yes, something is square is given to you. Something square if it is given to you, that number should be written 2 times. So 2 power 3, 2 power 3, 2 times 7. As per this definition, you can write it as 2 power 6, you can write it. 6, how do you get? These two if you are multiplying. But the thing is that this is completely different. Can anyone tell me what is its value?
Sir, can you wait a minute?
2 power 3
Sir,
power
5
2.
12, sir.
16.
5 12, sir.
Yes, 2 power 9. 3 square value is what we are 9. 2 power 9. This is brackets is not written, that's why 3 square should be taken first. But when the brackets is written, these two should be multiplied according to this law. According to this law. But how do we multiply means? The reason behind it is this example you can observe.
So one doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, 2 cube power of 2 is equal to 2 9 how, sir?
This is what I wrote 2 power 3 power 2. 3 power 2 what? What is 3 power 2 value? 3 into 9. So that's why 9. 2 power 9. If brackets is written, the value is completely different. This intention is what? 2 power 3 into 3. Because 3 square 1. So that's why 2 power 9. If I write 2 power 4 power 3. What is the meaning of this one? 2, 4 should be multiplied 3 times. 4 power 3, na? Without brackets, I am writing without brackets, concentrate on that. Not writing brackets, without brackets I am writing. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Is it clear to you? So this value is
Yes, sir.
without brackets if it is written completely different. And the main points in exponents and powers you need to concentrate this one only. Minus 2 power whole power 0 value is 1. Minus 2 power 0. If brackets are not written, the meaning completely changes. If brackets are written, it is different. Okay? Clear hai na?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Shall
sir.
we go for exercise
Yes,
problem?
sir.
What? So exercise 12.1 you see here, very simple problems are given to you here. So what is given here in the first question? Evaluate. Evaluate means find the value. The first question is given to you 3 power minus 2. 3 power minus 2 value what? 1 by 3 power 2. That is nothing but 1 by 9. That's all. 1 by 9 you need to write. The second question is given to you minus 4 whole to the power of minus 2. So what is its value? Here most of the students will commit a mistake. When you write this in the denominator, only power will become positive, but the base will be as it is. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So minus 4 whole square value what? Plus 16. Suppose the third question is given to you 1 by 2 whole to the power of minus 1. 1 by 2 whole to the power of minus 5. So what is the meaning of this one? If you take
2
the
power 5.
reciprocal, पूरा उल्टा कर लो, then power will become the positive.
2 power 5, sir.
2 power 5. 2 by 1 whole power 5. That is nothing but 2 power 5. 2 power 5 value is 32. You do remember that here a by b whole power minus m is nothing but b by a whole power plus 7. This is also like a one law you can take into consider. But how do we get means a by b whole power minus m is nothing but this can be written as a power minus m, b power minus m. When you take this a power minus m down, the power will become positive. B power minus m, if you take to the numerator, it becomes a positive. So we can write it as a b power m by a power m. So this can be written as b by a whole power m. So that's why.
Sir,
Is
how
it-
you
is
got
it-
32 here?
how I got 2 power 5 value what? What is the 2 power 5 value?
32.
32, sir.
32 we are going to get it. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, second bit is here, it is given to you. Second bit here, it is simplify and express the results of the power notation with the positive exponents. Positive exponent should be positive. Like that, you need to express the power notation. In the power notation, then express the result in the power notation only, but positive power you need to write. Second bit, the first question is given to you. Minus 4 to the power of 5 divided by minus 4 to the power of 8. Both the bases are same here. So when you are dividing, you need to write, subtract them. But the question is given to you with the person minus 4 to the power of 5 minus 8. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
This can be written as minus 4. See here what law we are using a power m divided a power n. It is nothing but a power m minus n. This law we are using. Whatever the law you are using, that law compulsory you need to write the sign.
Sir.
Now what you get 5 minus 8 means minus 3. But the exponent is negative here. The question is asking to express the power notation with the positive exponents. If you want to express as a positive exponent, 1 by minus 4 whole to the power of, minus 4 to the power of 3. So this can be written as 1 by minus 4 or minus 1 by 4 whole cube. Isn't it?
Sir, how you write minus 1 by 4?
Yes, very good. This usually can be written as 1 cube by minus 4 whole cube. Can I write like this?
Yes,
1 cube value is, so this can be written as 1 by minus 4 whole cube. 1 by minus 4 or minus 1 by 4, both are same or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You do remember that whenever you write any fraction or any rational number, denominator, if it is a negative, you are not supposed to express the denominator as a negative. You always remember that denominator should be a positive. If it is negative, you need to make it as a positive by multiplying minus 1. So we never express the any number when you are writing rational number. 1 by minus 4 we will not write. So better we write it as a minus 1 by 4.
Okay,
Clear
sir.
to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Coming to the third problem. Third problem is given to you 1 by 2 cube whole square. 1 by 2 cube whole square. 1 by 2 cube whole square. Can you do it? With the positive power it is given to you. 1 by 2 whole power 6, can I write?
Yes, sir.
Because 1 power 6 is 1 only. 1 ka power whatever it may be, 1 we are going to get it. Now the problem comes from the third problem onwards. Third and fourth problems you will get out here in this situation. Third question, second one. So what is the question given? Minus 3 power 4 into 5 by 3 whole power 4. So simplification you need to do. This can be written as minus 3 power 4. Minus whenever you are having, minus to the power of even number is plus. minus to the power of odd number is minus, because negative number you multiply even number of times. Negative number you multiply even number of times. Minus into minus 2 times multiply plus होगा, 3 times multiply minus, 4 times multiply again plus. So 4 times is nothing but even number. Even number of times when you multiply, we are going to get a positive. So we can write this as a 3 power 4 into. This can be written as 5 power 4 divided by 3 power 4 by b whole power m can be written as a power m b power m. The power can be taken to the both separately. This and this will get cancelled. So we are going to get left with the 5 power 4. Simple. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
fourth problem.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
So next, fourth question you see here. What is given to you in the brackets 3 power minus 7 plus 3 power minus 7 divided by 3 power minus 10 into 3 power minus 1. So we need to write all our powers bases 3 only. First inside the brackets let us simplify. Divided by whenever you are having powers should be subtracted. So 3 power minus 7 minus of minus 10. Can I write like that?
Yes, sir.
Powers
Sir.
subtracted,
Yes, sir.
powers should be subtracted. And side minus 5 I am writing as it is into. So when you simplify this, 3 power minus 7 plus 10 we are going to get, 3 power minus 5 we will get.
Minus
Okay.
into minus.
This minus into minus plus not plus okay. What is the value of minus 7 plus 10?
Plus 3.
Yes, plus 3. So we are going to get 3 power 3 into 3 power minus 5. Now into we are having. We use it here divided by a power m divided by a power n is equals to a power m minus 1. This actually I told you like this. By. If you write by or divided by symbol, both are same only now.
Yes, sir.
So now in this situation, these both are like a power m into a power n. We can write it as a power m plus n. Can we write it as a power m plus n?
Yes, sir.
What do you get? 3 power 3
Minus
plus
2.
minus 5. 3 plus minus 5. 3 minus 5, 3 plus 5 you don't write directly because you are having here minus 5. This one plus this one. So we are going to get 3 power 3 minus 5. 3 power 3 minus 5 means 3 power minus 2.
Yes.
But the question is given to you, power should be positive. Power should be positive. Okay?
Okay, sir. Sir, 1 by 3 power
Sham.
square.
1 by 3 square you can write. 1 by 3 whole square we can write.
Yes, sir.
Clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Out here in this problem. Next, fifth problem you see here. 2 power minus 3 into minus 7 of whole power minus 3. In the what form these two are? Bases are given. Power is
Sir, AM into BM.
a power m into b power m form में है. So we can write it as a ab whole power m. So that means bases you need to multiply. 2 into minus 7 whole power minus 3. 2 into minus 7 value minus 14. Minus 14 whole power minus 3. But the question is given positive exponent. Positive exponent is nothing but
1 by
1 by
4 minus 14.
minus 14 power 3. This if you want you can write it as a minus 1 by 14 whole power 3 or 1 by minus 14 whole power 3. Whole power better you write.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next, this is the second bit. Coming to the third bit problems, all are very simple here, but there will be a little confusion among you to solve these problems. So third problem, you try the problems here, whatever it is given to you. So two problems I explained to you in this, the remaining you try.
Okay, sir.
So you keep the text while explaining. Keep the textbook in front of you. Third bit, first problem you see here, you may get it out in the first problem. 3 power 0 plus 4 power minus 1 into 2 power 2. Here the value is asking, value. You need to find the number, what do we get? 3 power 0 value what? 1.
1.
4 power minus 1 value?
1 by
1
4.
by 4.
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
Value? 2 square value? 4.
4.
Can I cancel
4.
4?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No.
No, no, sir,
No,
because
sir.
This mistake most of ये 4 cancel करता है 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Most of the students will write. But don't cancel like that. What to do here? First you need to simplify this one. LCM करना है 4 आ जाएगा. 4 plus 1 in the numerator will get.
4 into
Now
4.
we are going
5.
to do this 4 now you can get cancelled. The final answer is 5. Like this value is asking to you to find out. Can you do the remaining problems here?
Yes,
Last
sir.
problem.
Yes, sir.
can you explain again, sir?
Yes, sir. Start from
Last problem is what here? Minus 2 by 3 whole to the power of minus 2 whole square. First what to do here? Minus, who is that? Someone is switched on mic. Okay. So 2 by 3 whole to the power of minus 2 can be written as, if you want to, this problem can be solved in two ways. First you multiply these two powers, minus 4. And when you are having minus 4, the numerator to make it as a positive power, we have to interchange the numerator and denominator. So we can write minus, you can keep it as it is. 3 by 2 whole power 4. As the power is even number, this can be written as b by 2 whole power 4. So this can be written as 3 power 4 divided by 2 power 4. 3 power 4 value what? 81. Divided by 2 power 4 value what? 16. The final answer. If you want to solve like solve it, the other way is first only you can interchange because power is you are having negative. So you can write this as a minus 3 by 2 whole power plus 2. Minus 3 by 2 whole power plus 2 whole square. Then after you can write it as a minus 3 by 2 whole power 4. You can write it as a 3 by 2 whole power 4. So which is equals to 3 power 4 by 2 power 4. Final value is 81 by 16. Both are same answers. Okay.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yeah, any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, there in the even number, sir, 3 by 2 whole power 4, no, sir. Minus, how we can cancel the minus, sir?
Cancel matter. We don't say cancel. I already told you, negative power whenever you are having 4 times, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into plus, sorry, minus into minus plus, plus हो गया, plus into minus minus, minus into again minus, plus हो गया. When you multiply the minus even number of times, it is positive. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Any number, suppose if I am asking you, what is the value of minus 1 to the power of 2022? Can you tell me the value? Can you tell me this value?
2022.
Sir, plus 1.
1.
1 only. Can you tell me what is the value of minus 2 whole power 2022? Value we cannot say
Sir,
because
2.
So it will be
Sir, it
positive, sir.
will be positive, sir.
it is
Positive
possible.
only, sir.
You can write it as a 2 power 20.
Yes, sir.
But the value we cannot know because 2022 times when you multiply very big number we are going to get. So like this you can solve this. So let us move to the sixth problem here. What the problems I am giving to you that are very easy problems I am giving to you. You can do it as a homework if you get it out in the next
Sir.
class.
Sir, we can write the problem like 2022 square.
No. That is completely wrong. Minus 2 power 2022 can be written as 2 power 2022. This is what you know. 2 को 2022 times multiply करना है. This you cannot write this one as 2022 whole square. That is completely different because they are not equal. This is nothing but what 2022 को 2 times करना है, multiply करना है. 2022 into 2000. ये दोनों values अलग-अलग होता है.
Okay, sir.
2 power 3 will never equal to 3 power 2. Do remember.
Okay.
What you 2 power 3 value what? 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times 8. 3 power 2 value what? 3 into
27.
3 power 2 value.
9.
9. So that is completely different. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next.
Yes, sir.
Next question you see here. Evaluate 1 by 3 whole power minus 1 minus 1 by 4 whole power minus 1 whole to the power of minus 1. Very interesting question. First thing what you need to do here, this one, this individually you 1 by 1 and go on simplify. 1 by 3 whole power minus 1 can be written as 3.
3.
3 by 1 whole power plus 1. Actually, you 3 by 1 whole power plus 1. So 3 by 1 whole power plus 1 is nothing but 3 only.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is what? 4.
4. Minus 1.
Minus 3.
1 by minus 1 to the power of plus 1.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Minus 1. 1 by minus 1 is nothing but minus 1 only.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Okay.
So in this only second problem is given to you as 5 by 8 whole to the power of minus 7 into 8 by 5 whole to the power of minus 4. So 5 by 8 whole to the power of 9. First you make the powers as a positive so that the problem little bit easy. Just you feel easy. 8 by 5
A whole power 7.
into 5 by 8 whole power 4. Now powers you take individually. 8 power 7, 5 power 7. 5 power 4, 8 power 4. So this can be written as ये दोनों डिनोमिनेटर में है ना, ये इधर लेके जाओ, ये इधर लेके आओ. So what do you get here?
8 power 7 by 8 power 4.
Into 5 power 4 by 5 power 7. So 8 power 7 minus 4, 5 power 4 minus 7. 8 power 3, 5 power minus 3.
Sir, 1 by 5 power, all power 3.
This can be written as 8 by 5 whole power 3. Or, if you want to write like this, you can write or 8 by power 3, 1 by 5 power 3. 8 power 3 value 512. 5 power 3 value 125.
Okay. Sir.
I already, how I wrote 8 power 3 value as a directly 512, you know. I told
How,
you,
sir?
2 you can have to write. 8 power 3 can be written as, 8 can be written as 2 power 3. 2 power 3 whole power 3. So that is nothing but 2 power 9. 2 power 9 value is 512.
So 8 cube also we can do now, sir.
Yes, in any way you can do, but the thing is that 2 powers, if you remember, it is an easy task for you to do all the problems.
Okay, sir.
Powers of 2, everyone try to learn. Powers of the 2 in this, as exponents and powers you are learning, I want everyone to learn the powers of the 2 till the 10. 2 power 5, 32. 2 power 6,
64.
2 power 9, 512. 2 power 10, 1024. Like that you should be in a position to say.
Okay. Sir.
This is the first problem you see here. So the question is given to you 25 into t power minus 4 divided by 5 power minus 3 into 10 into t power minus 8, where the t is not equal to 0. T is not equal to 0. Is equals to. How do you simplify this? Simplification, whenever you want to do it, powers you make it as a first positive powers. Or you take it to the numerator. When you write 25 into 5 power 3 into t power 8 divided by 10 by t power 4. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just negative power, whatever it is there, I made it as a positive power. 5 power 3 value 125. 25 can be written as 5 square. Here the question is given simplify. You can write in the power notation or you can write in value also, you can find out and keep it in. Okay. So 25 can be written as 5 square and 5 power 3 divided by 2 into 5 into t power 8 minus 4. These two powers can be added. 5 power 5 divided by 2 into 5 into t power 4. This 5 is there, na? Subtract. When you are subtracting 5 power 5 by 5 power 1 divided by subtract it. So 5 power 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is nothing but 5 power 4 we are going to get. 5 power 4 divided by 2 into t power 4. So these two are having the same powers. So you can write it in a simplest way, 5t whole power 4 divided by 2.
Okay, sir.
Did you understand? Do you have any?
Yes, sir.
Huh? No doubt?
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, we get to 5 by 2 power 4, no, sir. 5 by 2 all power 4. 5 by 2 power 4.
5 by 2 power?
4.
No. If you want, you can write this as by I'm simplifying. 5 by, because 2 is only one time you are having here. This we are learning the chapter of exponents and powers. So 2 is having only one time here. This 10 I wrote it as I wrote it as a 2 into 5. So 2 is only one time. So how can you write it as a 2 by 5 whole power 4?
Base are different.
Isn't it? 2 by 5 whole power 4 we cannot write that. If you write 5 by 2 whole power 4, it is nothing but what? In the numerator 5 is 4 times In the denominator, 2 is 4 times.
Okay.
Okay?
Swarnama had sent a science lit meeting link, sir.
Okay. I'll end up with that. 1 minute. Last problem, you try yourself here so that it is an easy task only. If you are getting any problem, we'll discuss in the tomorrow's class.